Hello everyone. Welcome back to AlphaZenz Tech. Today's update is for everyone who is searching for Python developer jobs, GenAI jobs, or fresher software opportunities. Virtusa has officially started hiring for the associate Python developer position, and this opportunity is for freshers. So if you're interested in building your career in Python, artificial intelligence, or cloud technologies, make sure you watch this complete video, because I'll explain the important details, eligibility, required skills, and finally, I'll tell you where to apply. Let's get started. The company hiring is Virtusa. The role is Associate Python Developer. The job location is Bangalore, Karnataka. This opportunity is mainly focused on candidates interested in software development using Python and modern AI technologies. Now, before we move further, many of you are asking who can apply. Here's the eligibility. Candidates who have completed B or BTech are eligible to apply for this hiring drive. If you meet this educational qualification, you can proceed with the application. Now let's see what skills the company is expecting. The first and most important skill is Python. Along with Python, they're looking for candidates who have basic knowledge of Pandas, NumPy, and Scikit-learn. If you've completed Python projects, internships, certification courses, or practiced these libraries, that will definitely help you during the hiring process. Apart from Python, knowledge of SQL Server is also expected. Another important requirement is Generative AI. Since many companies are moving towards AI-based development, having basic understanding of GenAI concepts can give you an advantage. The company has also mentioned Microsoft Azure and Azure Functions. Even if you've learned these technologies through online courses or personal projects, mention them properly in your resume. This hiring is a good opportunity because the required skills are currently among the most in-demand technologies in the software industry. So if you're preparing for AI engineer, Python developer, data engineer, or cloud developer roles, applying for this opportunity is definitely worth it. Before you submit your application, make sure your resume highlights your Python projects, technical skills, certifications, internships, and GitHub profile if you have one. A well-structured resume always improves your chances of getting shortlisted. The official application link is available in the description below. Apply as soon as possible because companies can close applications once they receive enough candidates. If this update was helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to AlphaZenz Tech, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the latest mass hiring updates, assessment mail updates, off-campus drives, walk-in jobs, and GenAI career opportunities. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.